Shadows, you need a ball or a stick. Find a stick. Let's go find one. Can you find one? I don't see any up there. Hold on, Bubba. Calm down. Can you chill? Oh, here comes a friend. Shadow, quiet. Stop. Don't get a ball. Don't have a ball. Does he have a ball? Shadow, be nice. Be nice. No, you have to go get a ball. Don't bark at me until you got a ball. You gotta calm down, dude. Yeah, crazy. You'd be crazy. My goodness. Oh. Is that a good spot, sis? You getting an itch there? A good spot? Ooh. Feels so good. Yeah. Alright, go. Come on, let's go. Come on, sis. Let's go. Shadow, be sweet. Oh, look at this big old stick. Oh, that's a big one. You won't be able to get that. That's too heavy, Shadows. No. Way heavy. Shadow, we need to find a good stick. That's not a good stick. Let's break one off here. Oh! Sissy! Sissy! Alright. Shadows, come here. No, calm down. Sissy. You? You want you? Hey, you gotta wait until it's in water. Find it? No? Uh-oh. It's okay. Come on. Let's go to the other side, guys. Come on. Come on. There's always sticks on the other side. Come on. Let's go. Come on, sis. Let's go to the other side. Come on.